Welcome, we'll talk about the monster Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Advantages. It comes with a completely flat screen and provides a distinctive experience in terms of accuracy and colors. As is usual from Samsung, in addition to its support for the highest frequency of 120 GHz, and the brightness has been developed to be higher with an advanced protection layer that is highly resistant to reflections and better resistant to scratches. Very pioneering materials, as usual from Samsung, with the use of a titanium frame with IP68 water resistance. Excellent cameras, whether for shooting photos or videos. The phone also supports shooting 8K videos with high stability with the main lens and the 5x zoom lens, and the performance of the cameras has become very realistic. Supports real zoom photography. It comes with 12 GB RAM. Interior space 256, 512 or 1000 GB. With an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 4 nanometers technology. Like and subscribe so we can continue downloading the best for you. Disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Mobile. Charging speed is not increased. The weight of the phone is still relatively heavy even after using titanium. The most notable changes to the phone from the previous generation S23 Ultra are the use of a titanium frame, a completely flat screen with higher brightness, and a better layer of protection. Resistant to reflections, the latest SD8 Gen 3 processor, and camera development, especially the zoom, with new artificial intelligence capabilities. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share. We want to reach 1000 subscribers.